What are you doing? Aww. Yeah. Ow, that's my sock! Oh no, not my sock. No, no, no. Here, chew my pants. She is adorable. Such a cute little puppy. Butt shot. What are you doing? What is she doing? Oh.
She's a cat.
She's a cat.
Watch out. She's stalking you. Oh my god, could you imagine it was Zena?
Oh my god.
See you do it. What the hell?
Oh my god. She's very spunky. Oh my god, she's so funny.
What is going on with my back legs?
How's she doing?
She's playing.
A little active.
All of a sudden, yeah.
Yeah, she's a big scaredy cat for a little while.
Is she new to the store? I was gonna say she looks like a brand new puppy.
Yeah, first couple days right here, they're usually pretty shy. Get used to it. But you're definitely coming out of your shell, I can tell.
You are so cute. Hi. Hello.
Do you have a toy that she plays with?
Oh, yeah.
She's biting my face.
Put your camera down. You're gonna drop it.